welcome to the 6th episode of Fridays at Frontline. My name is Sarah and I'm going to be your host. Today we're going to take a deeper dive look into some of the vehicle-specific consoles available from the manufacturers that we work with. We'll look into the little things like the pocket for the arbitrator mic that might be available, cup holders at the front instead of at the back, or a wider body console that can fit a printer and still have a pocket for storage that's lockable, and cup holders big enough for your Yeti. The first console we're going to talk about today is the Havas console that is for the Dodge Durango. This leaves room for your shifter, allows you to relocate your OEM ports, and allows for plenty of room for more ports and switches if you would like. It also has your cup holders, and this particular one has a printer armrest that we've mounted the scanner on as well, so you get your e-ticketing done all at one time. This console is a Troy console for the 2020 PIU. Not only does it have the places to move your OEM ports, but it has a little accessory pocket built into the bend here. It has your cup holders, extra cigarette and USB outlets, your movable armrest, and still has room to mount your computer. Another great option that Troy offers for mounting your equipment is the overhead console. This particular one is in the 2020 utility. You can see that we were able to relocate the OEM lighting and have enough room to mount either your siren or radio up over your head so you can keep your eyes up and on the road while you're accessing your equipment. This console is made by PMT, Precision Mounting Technologies, and is in the 2020 utility. Features we'd like to point out on this one are the fact that you can still get to your rear air if you have that on your vehicle. It has a breakaway armrest, a cup holder. We've mounted all the OEM ports relocated to the side on the passenger side, and this one even has your PocketJet printer built right in for your e-ticketing without taking up extra room in your vehicle. This console is the Gamber Johnson console for the Ford F-150. In a large truck like this, you have lots of real estate and you don't want to leave open room. So with this, they've utilized all that space to give you plenty of room for mounting equipment, your extra outlets, your accessory pocket, cup holders and armrests, and even a locking pocket to keep your equipment safe. We've still been able to move those OEM accessories and you have access to all your controls. I'm glad you were able to join us today for a tour through some of the different consoles and accessories offered by our manufacturers. If you have anything specific you're looking for, make sure you reach out and see what we can do to get these just right for your work environment. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Fridays at Frontline. Make sure you check us out on social media and comment below for that swag. See you soon.